Hi everyone, it's Miss Kristen with Sunshine Speech, and today I want to show you how we practice the SH sound, shh. The first cue we use is an associative cue, and we call this the be quiet sound because it sounds like the sound you make when you tell someone to be quiet. The next cue is a gestural cue, and for this one, we put our finger up to our lips just like we would gesture if we're telling someone to be quiet. What I do is I keep it near my chin so the child can still see my lips, and then I use my finger to show that the air has to flow out. The air does not stop, so just like this. Shh, shh. The next cue would be a visual cue. It's great to practice the sound in front of a mirror because it is quite visual. The child can see whether or not their lips are pushing out. Children's air is often an S sound, so S looks like this, with the lips pulled back, and SH sounds like this, shh, with the lips pushing out, kind of in a square shape. Another cue would be verbal cues. So you could tell the child, oh, push your lips out, or even make a circle with your lips that encourages more rounding. You can also tell them to slide their tongue back if you're hearing the S sound, because that means their tongue is too far forward in their mouth. So you can actually show a child, you start with S, and then tell them to push their lips out. And it naturally makes your mouth produce the SH sound. Last cue would be a physical cue. So if a child is having a hard time getting their lips pushed out, you can just use your fingers and give a light squeeze on their cheeks to help them show them that their lips really need to be pushed out to make this sound correctly. So I think today, to help us practice this sound, let's play a fishing game. Now I have this game that I picked up, but you could just make your own fishing game quite easily. You can make your own fishing rod. I have this one that came in the game, but you could use a stick or a pen or pencil and just tie a string to it. And then on the end, put a strong magnet, either glue it on or tie it on one way. So really easily to make your fishing rod. And then to make the fish, you can draw fish on pieces of paper and attach magnetic paper clips, and there's your fishing game. Super easy and super cheap to make. Okay, so let's go fishing. So what I would do if I was playing with a child is I would try getting them to either just say their be quiet sound on its own, shh, and it's neat because it kind of sounds like the ocean. So you could make the ocean noise, shh, shh. Or if a child is really good at that, you could actually get them to say the word fish, fish. Really remembering to push out your lips at the end. Okay, let's go fish. Let's see what I'm going to get. Ooh, I got a white fish. Cool, a white fish. Let's see what's next in my ocean. It's a starfish. Very cool. Let's do some more fishing. I got a red fish. Red fish. Look at that nice red fish. Let's do more fishing. Wow. A green fish. Fish. Let's make the ocean sound before we fish again. Shh. 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 Good, blowing your air out and not letting it stop. Is it gonna be a purple fish? No, it's an octopus. That's not a fish. I think there's one more in here. What's it going to be? Ooh, it's yellow. It's a yellow seahorse. That's not a fish. Very good. Thank you for learning about the SH sound with me and going fishing.